How to set up your Clubhouse profile for the best results. Your Clubhouse profile is essential for your success. You need to set up your profile in the right way so that you show your audience exactly what you want to be known for. The information that you add to your bio is pivotal to how you are discovered in the member directory. It is so important that we decided to dedicate a complete video and setting up your profile. Most people do not pay much attention to their bios on social media. But if you want to be successful with Clubhouse, then you must invest the right amount of thought, creativity, and time into the creation of your bio. This is your chance to stand out from the crowd. Having a great Clubhouse bio will help you to develop your following. More on this later. By thinking through the message that you want to portray and paying attention to detail when it comes to including keywords, you can make your Clubhouse bio the best it can be. So, let's get started. Use the best photograph. It is critical that you use the best possible photograph of yourself in your Clubhouse bio. You probably already have a number of photographs, so you need to review these to see if they are good enough for your bio. If they are not, you need to take a new photograph of yourself. What should you look out for when choosing a photograph of yourself for your Clubhouse bio? Follow these guidelines and you won't go wrong. Your photograph needs to show you smiling and show your complete face in the center of the frame. It is essential that your photograph looks good in different sizes. Your bio photo will appear throughout the Clubhouse app. Sometimes your name will be associated with it and sometimes not. You need to ensure that your photo is as clear as possible. Use a background for your photo that is clear and has contrasting colors. Clubhouse is a white to an off-white background, and it can also be a light beige color. These are good neutral colors that will help your photograph to stand out. Choose a bright background for your photograph, as this can really make it stand out from the vast number of other photographs on the Clubhouse app. If you need to go to a professional photographer and invest a little money to have the perfect Clubhouse bio photo, then do that. They will have a number of different backgrounds that you can choose from. Show them the app on your phone so that they know which background will work the best for you. Create a great description. It goes without saying that the description you create for your bio needs to be great. You get a lot of room in your bio to write a full description. Be aware that the first 125 characters or so, the first 3 lines, are the most important. This is because they are used as a bio preview in Clubhouse rooms. The editor for your bio description is plain text. This means that you cannot mark it up in any way and you cannot add hyperlinks. It is not easy to add emojis to your bio description either. You need to get creative here to compensate for this. The importance of the first 3 lines. We have already told you that the first 3 lines of your bio are the most critical in your Clubhouse bio. The preview screen will show your bio photograph, the number of members that are following you, the number of members that you are following, and the first 3 lines of your bio description. So you need to think about how you can tell people who you are and what you stand for in those first 3 lines. The rest of your description is important, but nowhere near as important as those first 3 lines. Think about what you are able to offer others when you are creating the first 3 lines of your bio. Clubhouse is a networking app, and you always need to be thinking what value you can add to the community. When other members read your preview, they need to know what you can offer them. If your first 3 lines are weak, then they will find someone else to follow. Tips for a great Clubhouse bio. Although there is no limit on how long your bio can be, don't get carried away with this. Just because your bio is longer than the majority of others does not mean that you become more appealing. The quality of the information that you provide is much more important than how long your bio is. Here are our top tips to creating an awesome Clubhouse bio. Always think what's in it for them. Ensure that your profile highlights the value that you will bring to the conversation. You can add a link to your bio other than Twitter and Instagram, but it will not be clickable. So when you are adding a link, you want to ensure that this is memorable. There's no way for other members to copy and paste your link. Get a short and memorable domain name that you can add to your Clubhouse bio. Create a list of the subjects that you are interested in discussing. This will tell other members what kinds of conversations appeal to you and would like to be invited to discuss. We are sure that the Clubhouse search feature uses keywords in member bios to find them. Add related keywords to your bio to help other members discover you. Avoid stuffing keywords at all costs. Use an external app to create your bio description first. See below. Get the format right. We recommend that you use an external application such as Notepad to write your Clubhouse bio description. This will help you to get the formatting right so that it will look great on Clubhouse. Nobody wants to see a bio description that is just one large block of text. Make your bio stand out by using emojis. Again, you need to do this in an external editor because the Clubhouse editor doesn't provide you with a way to add emojis to your description. The use of emojis will certainly make your profile stand out. Be sure to use them in the first 2 to 3 lines of your description. Another way to make your profile stand out is to use bold and italic markup. Again, you do not want to go crazy with this. Identify key places in your description, like the first 3 lines, for example, where you can use bold and italic for the best impact. In the next video, we will discuss the advantages of Clubhouse for building your brand.